This is week 9 project. Um, we were instructed to create a war game with deck cards. So this is my plan. The plan is to make a deck of 54 cards, 4 suits, 13 ranks. Shuffle the deck, deal 26 cards to each player. Play 26 rounds. Each player gets 1 card. Higher cards win, gets a point. If it's a tie, it's 0 points. Log the details, cards, winner, score. After all rounds been played, print the final score, winner or tie. And first, we started with an array of list of all the suits, so we can reuse it when we build in the deck. Step 1, we create a card class, a suit, rank, value. This class creates individual cards. We use a constructor so every card is created the same way. This that value is suit. This that suits equals suits. This that value is the value of the card. We use an object as a lookup table to convert card letters into numbers. This makes comparing cards easy. We choose the rank, so each card has its own rank. 2 being the lowest, ace being the highest. We use this that value as a key to get numbers from ranks, number rank from the rank objects. ToString, this tempo strings make it easy to build readable messages. Step 2, we create a deck class, array of 52 cards, shuffle method, deal method, and the constructor creates a brand new deck when we start the game. So this card is an empty array, but will hold all the values of the cards, but it starts as an empty array. This create deck just fills in the deck with 52 cards, and this shuffle is a method we use to shuffle the cards right away, so the game is random. Create deck. This method creates all the 52 cards. We store all the card values in the constant values. So it loops through the array. For each suit in our card value list, for loop. I'm sorry. For each suits in our card suits list, for each value in our value list. Here we create a new card and we just push it into the suit and the values. And from there, we already set up our 52 cards with 4 suits and 13 values. For the shuffler, I use the Fisher-Yates shuffle method. It's a common way to shuffle fairly and randomly. We go through each card in the deck. We pick a random card position, and then we swap the card with the random card. The deck is now shuffled. So after the shuffle method, before the game starts, the deck is shuffled. Deal method. This method gives half the deck to each player. We used a splice to basically remove 26 cards from player 1 and give it to player 2. Then we just return both hands as a 2-item array. Step 3, we create a player class, name, hand, array of cards, and score. When we create a new player, we give them a name. In the constructor name, this name equals name, saves the player's name for printing. This hand is an empty array to start with no cards in their hand. And this point is basically we start with 0 points. So everything is fair. And the add card method is we basically give cards to a player's hand, and then we use the spread method to an array to basically give all the cards at once. So all players get 26, each player gets 26 cards, and we push it all into their hands. Play card method basically removes one card from each player, and basically shift method removes the first card of the hand, so the hand becomes smaller for each round that is being played. Next, we use the player card method, and no, I'm sorry. This has cards method checks if a player still has a card, and then returns true if they have cards, false if they don't. And we use this to know when when the game should stop. So basically, it plays for 26 rounds, and once all players are done, the game stops. This method gives This method gives a player 1 point for each round played, and just adds a point. This method get score method returns how many points they have for each round and keep scores. Step 4, we create a game class players deck play method. So this class just runs the entire game. When we create a new game, set up the 2 players. So this player 1 is our first player, and this player 2 is our second player. And also we start the game with at round 0, and each round that plays, we just add another round to it. The method start is basically how we're going to start the game, and we print out that we're going to start a game, meaning word card game. We create a new deck. It auto builds a shuffle into the constructor. So we start with a new deck, and we start with so once the game starts, we start a new deck, and we start with the shuffle. Then we split the deck into 2 hands. Hand 1 gets 26, hand 2 gets 26, and we deal the deck. So give each player their cards, tell the player what we did. So we console log what happens right here. So we just tell that the game has started, that each player gets 1 card. Each player gets 26 cards, and so we see how it starts, and we just play the game. This game method plays all the rounds. While loop is perfect here because we don't know which round it is up front, so we just keep going until someone runs out of card. So every time we play a hand, the round increase. So each round till 26, it just keeps increases and playing the hand. And then once we are out of cards, and the game ends. Play round method. Each player plays 1 game card from their hand. We convert face values into numbers so we can compare them, print what cards we played. Here we run an if statement to check who has the higher card. If a player 1 has a higher card, they win the round. We console log player 1 wins the round. If player 2 has the higher card, we console log player 2 has card. If both players have the same value card, we print a tie. Then no points are being awarded. Well, then here we just console out everything. End game, this method shows the final results. The game, once the round ends, game over, we console log final score, and then we print out each player's score. And we calculate the score, and then whoever wins that round, whoever wins the game after 26 rounds, we console log the player here. Yeah, and step 5, this is how we're just gonna run the game and log print results. This method actually runs the game, and yep, this is the whole game. As you can see, we come to a final result. The player one wins. If we want to refresh it, gives us different scores. Player two wins. Yep. Thank you.